good, UB2Bs? Back at it again with another street photography video. So basically, I was just kind of sitting right here exactly. Wasn't planning on going anywhere in particular. But the thing is about New York, or the weird thing about New York is that as you're sitting here and not planning on doing anything, and keep in mind that the weather has been kind of crap lately. It's been dark and rainy for the past like 2 or 3 days. And when the sun starts shining, as it is right now in New York, you don't have those sunny, nice days like you do as much in LA, to the point where you want to get outside. You want to be out there because you just feel like you're missing something. You hear the kids out there playing. You hear the street. You hear I don't know. It's just there's so much ambiance happening outside that you don't really want to miss out on that. That's a big part of, or that's what I've experienced since being here. But with that said, guys, I wanted to just go to the Lower East Side and just get somewhere in Manhattan. Didn't feel like shooting in Brooklyn today, or sorry, this was the other day. I didn't shoot. I'm recording this video today, but this was the other day when I went out. Wanted to just go to the Lower East Side. It was the quickest way to get to Manhattan without going too far. I didn't want to go all the way up to Midtown or Soho or anything like that. And also use the city bike to get me there, since it is subsidized for people who come from the outer boroughs. It's only $5 to cross the bridge, and I was there in probably like 30 minutes or so. But let me not bore you with the intro, and just kind of like follow along as I go through this little quick street photography journey. Alright guys, we have made it to the Lower East Side, and just taking pictures of whatever to try to get I guess my camera warmed up, or my eye warmed up to the pictures. Yeah, I saw that truck over there, thought it looked interesting, so snapped away. It usually, like I said, takes a while for me to start really seeing things that I find that I want to take a picture of. But I thought this lady right here had a dope outfit. Ended up looking pretty cool, I think. And the way she was walking just kind of made for a great photograph. And then I kind of peeked over and saw these guys going to work. I always usually like to see things like that, like guys in uniforms or people in uniforms doing something, pulling something. And you can see that I captured that in the moment. I just find those to be very interesting shots, usually. Yeah, it's a lot going on in this street. Very busy. Kind of saw this guy carrying this plant over here, and I figured, hey, that's what I do. And I wanted to snap a picture showing, people in New York don't have cars usually, so that people are carrying everything back to their apartment or to wherever they're going. This is one of my favorite shots right here. This lady, it looked like she was getting her laundry or some type of food delivery service. And I just happened to have my camera ready at the right moment, at the right time. And that was probably my favorite shot of the day, just getting her delivery. I just happened to be there at the right time, snapping away. I think this shot was too interesting. It was just a kind of weird looking truck. And I can kind of see up afar or up ahead that this guy just kind of chilling. I can't tell if he's homeless or whatever, but he was smoking, and it just made for a good shot. Getting him into action, kind of lighting up whatever he was smoking. I don't know if it was weed, I don't know if it was cigarettes, or anything else, but it just made for a cool, interesting looking photograph. And there's this guy like serving ice cream. Like literally anything that I find makes up the soul of the city or the street is what I keep my eye on, or whatever sparks my interest is what I try to snap photographs of, if that makes sense. Or if somebody's wearing some crazy fashion, like this lady had a really cool looking sweater, and I just thought it looked cool with the red from the building up next to her. And this guy had I don't know, he just looked very New York, and he had the Yankee sign. I wanted to try to capture that with some sort of a New York feel in the background, and I think I got it with the dollar pizza, very New York, and his just able to get something that felt like New York. And then I like the kind of way that this looked like he was a prisoner or something, like the tall guy leaned up on the right side. He just looked cool. Just looked like something that would probably make for a good photograph. But this was a short and sweet little adventure that I had. Just wanted to get out there and just try to, just do something. I think I was only outside up there in Lower East Side for about an hour. But yeah, just something slight. But anyways, if you made it all the way through, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you have not already. And I will be trying to post as consistently as possible. My schedule can be all over the place. I'm doing a lot of traveling lately. But yeah, stay tuned, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.